Each earbuds comes with 3 microphones so that you can be heard above the background noise, and it features the WindSmart technology, which helps to reduce the wind noise. Introducing the Poly Voyager Free 60 UC. It's a true wireless earbuds for work and life. It is made for iPhone, iPad, and it is certified for Microsoft Teams. We're going to unbox this and set it up. We will show you how to use this pair of earbuds. So here are the package contents. It comes in a carrying case that contains the charging case, that contains the earbuds, and inside the carrying case you have also got some ear tips of different sizes. Then you have got the quick start guide and a Bluetooth USB adapter that is to be used for laptops or PCs to connect your earbuds, and a USB Type-C cable. And to personalize your experience, you can download the PolyLens app from Apple Store or Google Play, and a host of other safety and declaration conformity materials over here. So let us take a look at the earbuds. Here's the weight of the charging case. It comes in at 53 grams. For the earbuds, they are at 11 grams, approximately 5.5 grams each. Let us take a look at the charging case and earbuds. So this is the charging case. You can see the Poly logo engraved at the top. At the side, there is a button where if you press once, you will have the battery level indicator for the charging case as well as the earbuds. And over here is where you charge the charging case and the earbuds through the USB-C port. Do note that the charging case supports wireless charging. This is the earbuds. You can see the Poly logo on it, and there's a button over here where you press to answer and reject calls, as well as for music playback. On the other side, on the stem of the earbud, this is where you swipe up and down to increase or decrease your volume during music playback, or when the earbuds is in either mode, you swipe it to toggle between adaptive noise cancellation or transparent mode. Each earbuds comes with 3 microphones so that you can be heard above the background noise, and it features the WindSmart technology, which helps to reduce the wind noise. Do note that the earbuds come in 2 colors: carbon black or white sand. Next, we'll download the PolyLens app. So let's go to Play Store and do a search for PolyLens. Let's install the app. So once the app is installed, let's open the app. We will tap on this checkbox and continue. We will allow. Let's skip this. We'll enable the location to find our misplaced device while using the app. Let's continue. We will allow. We will continue as guest. We will take part in the Poly Product Improvement Program. So to begin, we need to put our earbuds into the setup mode. In order to do that, we need to press on this button here for 4 seconds, which will set it in the pairing mode. Let's do that. You can see that on the app, it has found the earbuds. Let's connect. The device is connected. Select Done, and it is up to date. Very simple connection and pairing with the phone. Next, we will show how to answer a call using the earbud. So there's an incoming call. To answer the call, simply press on the button once. To hang up the call, simply press on the button once. So this is how you answer and hang up the call. Next, we'll show you how to do some music playback, to start and stop the music and to adjust the volume. So from either earbuds, simply press on the button to start or stop. Press the button once. While in the playback mode, you can actually swipe to decrease the volume. If you swiping down, and to increase the volume, you need to swipe up. Let's stop the playback. The Poly Voyager 360 UC earbuds supports wireless charging. Let's place the earbuds back into the charging case. We'll place it on the wireless charger. So it is now charging the earbuds and the charging case wirelessly. Alternatively, you can also plug the USB cable directly into the charging case to charge. So this is the Poly Voyager 360 UC earbuds. Do check it out.